Thought I'd do an unboxing today. This is Eachine E520 foldable drone. Something I picked up at one of the Christmas parties we went to. I won it in a draw. It says on here it's a 520 and it has 4K video. Foldable drone. So let's take a look inside, see what we have. Alright. Do this without banging the camera around too much. This is what we have inside. Instruction manual, all different language, extra battery for free. Okay, so if you purchase this, I've won this in a draw, so I won't be able to get the extra battery because they want an order number and a country. So, but that's not bad. If you did order it, you can get a free battery if you read a product review. Because of some extra blades, screwdriver, blade protectors. Let's take the drone itself out. There's the drone itself. Looks like it has some LEDs on the bottom. Camera on the front. Antenna, and last out of the packaging is the controller. Little flip down for, I guess it's a little odd. I thought they would spring a little bit, but that would be to put a phone. No, sorry, look at that upside down. So these are the antennas. I don't know if they actually do anything, if they're just for show. I don't see any wires in it, so it might just be for show. Down on the bottom should have a spot. There we go. That's where you stick the phone in, so you can see what the drone sees when it's up in the air. Now, see
the
what,
skirts are for company.
yeah.
Oh, you remember that? It isn't good always without.
Alright, so that was the holder for your camera. Now this also has the instructions. Right side fly, 1 key takeoff, 1 key landing, forward fine tuning, backward fine tuning on those buttons, left side fly, another button up here. So comes with little instructions, which is kind of cool. So off and on. Now that's probably, yeah, that's what the screwdriver's for. There it comes, and you got to put your batteries in it. So let's see, undo the drone. All the arms fold out. So the props kind of swing in place here. Get your power on button on the top. Looks like a spot there for the SD card. I don't know if you can see that. The SD card has to go in here by the looks of it. And you have your battery, which comes out of the back. There's the USB charging on the side. 7.4 volts, 1200 milliamp hour battery. It is pretty light. That is the camera. Looks like it'll adjust up and down. I don't believe it's on a motor, because I didn't see anything on this to yeah, there's no buttons to actually move the camera up and down, so it's got to be a manual up and down. Yeah, it is pretty light. I think it's just over the weight limit for licensing for the FAA. So I did go ahead and I got a license number for it. It's like $5 for so many years. Real legs on it. It kind of lands on the back here, and on these legs lands on these and back here, and these two little pieces. I don't have any batteries in the controller yet, and I didn't download the app for my phone, so I believe you can use it either with this controller or with your phone with the app. So there's the on off. The legs just swing back in again. And that's that. It is really light. I'm surprised. So I'll have to get some batteries, set this all up. That is and it also says 2.4 gigahertz. It takes 4 AAA batteries for the remote. Alright, well that's the unboxing of this. I will download the app, get some batteries for the controller, and take it for a flight test next. Eachine E520 Eachine E520 foldable drone.